In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to associate line items with a deal in HubSpot. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to connect specific products or services to a deal, so your quotes, revenue forecasts, and reports are much more accurate. Let's start right inside HubSpot. First, log into your HubSpot account the way you normally do. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a look at the left-hand toolbar. There, you'll see an icon for the CRM section. Hover your cursor over that CRM icon, and from the options that appear, choose Deals. This is where all your deal records live. In the Deals view, find and click on the specific deal you want to work with. It might help to use the search bar or filters if you manage a lot of deals. Once you open the deal record, you'll be taken to that deal's profile page where you can see details like the deal stage, amount, and associated contacts or companies. Now, focus your attention on the right-hand panel of this deal record. In that panel, look for a card labeled Line Items. This is where you connect the individual products or services that make up the total value of the deal. On the Line Items card, you'll see a small Add option, usually shown as a plus sign with the word Add next to it. Go ahead and click that. At this point, HubSpot gives you two choices. You can select from your existing product library, or you can create a brand new custom line item. The product library is ideal if your organization has already set up standard products with pricing, descriptions, and SKUs. A custom line item is useful for one-off services, special discounts, or anything that isn't part of the predefined catalog. For this example, we'll use the product library. Choose the option to select from the existing product library, and a panel will slide open from the right side of your screen. In this panel, you'll see a list of all available products. You can scroll, search, or filter to find the one that matches what you're selling in this deal. When you've found the correct product, click on it to highlight your selection, then click the Add button at the bottom of that panel. You'll now see the selected line item appearing in the line item section of the deal. Before you finish, review the details such as quantity, price, or any discounts to make sure everything is correct. When you're happy with how it looks, scroll down and click Save at the bottom. Once you've saved, your line item is officially associated with the deal. That's all there is to it.